how to reset forgotten screen time passcode on your iPhone. So all you need to do is to open your system settings, and now you want to scroll down and find screen time section, open it, and again scroll down and find change screen time passcode. Now it's already set and we want to change the forgotten password if you don't know the passcode or if you forgot it. So click it. You want to change it, so click change screen time passcode, and you have to enter old screen time passcode. If you don't know it, down here is forgot passcode, click it, and when you entered your passcode, you also entered here the recovery email address or phone number. So now you have to again enter it, enter here your Apple account. After you enter here your Apple account, you have to enter the password to your Apple account, and then you can enter new screen time passcode. So I'm going to do it on my own. You can do it on your own also. I successfully changed my passcode screen time, even if I forgot the previous one. And that's simply how you can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and see ya next time.